What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about CEI. Once again, that's Camber Energy Incorporated with the ticker symbol CEI. Guys, in this video, it's a very exciting day for all CEI stockholders, including me, because of course, today we have a lot of things to talk about. First of all, being said, okay, CEI have updated their annual report for year ending December 31, 2021, which is their 10K, and also the most anticipated 10Q, in which case we'll be able to realize how many shares actually, and of course if CEI is actually gaining revenue for the quarter. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going.
Dilution is always a concern, but it's management's responsibility, in particular mine, to make sure there's corresponding value. And with potential deals like this proposed acquisition, with the expansion opportunities we have at Simpson Maxwell, with what we plan to achieve in marketing the ESG clean energy system in Canada in 2022, we believe that we can add significant value to the company and all of the organization's stakeholders.
So that was the blog of James Doris himself. Okay, so but today, as you can see, guys, today people are very excited on Twitter because of these filings that just came up. As you can see, if you go to their SEC filing dated May 20, so we can now see the 10K annual report ending in December 31st, 2021, May 20 10Q quarterly report ending in September 30 and 2021, and a 10Q ending in, so they just filed them all at once. Of course, they have a reason for that. Okay, so as you can see in Yahoo Finance, it says here, this is from Access Wire dated May 20, 2022. Okay, as you guys can see, CEI is pleased to announce that on May 20, 2022, it filed the following reports with the SEC. Current report on Form 10Q for the quarter ended 3/31/2021 and a 10Q for 6/30/2021. So they filed them all at once today. And of course, the Form 10K for the year last year ending in 12/31/2021. That's December last year. Okay, so we're still waiting for, of course, people is anticipating the 10Q for ending in March 31, 2021. Okay, that's the one for the first quarter of this year. So it says here the contained an audit report from its independent registered public accounting firm with a good concern emphasis of matter. Release of this information is required by Section 610B of NYSE American Company Guide. Now, guys, if you go to MarketBeat, you can clearly see here that the CEI is currently up 2.36%. It has a 5-day performance of negative 4.28% as people is anticipating this good news that just came up. A 1-month performance of 4.28%, negative 4.28%, and a 3-month performance of 29.96%. Now, guys, take note, if you go to fintel.io, you can clearly see that CEI have 79 total institutional ownership, 69 long only, 1 short, and 9 long and short at the same time. Okay, so if you scroll down, guys, you can clearly see that a lot of people have been loading, a lot of institutional investors have been loading CEI shares. Okay, and 2 of them have initiated new position, Marshall Wace LLP and Bayesian Capital Management LP. Okay, so also this has been updated since March 16, so it means that they're anticipating this move right now with CEI. Although the market, most of the meme stocks is currently right now, CEI is been green on a Friday, which is next week. It will be people will be anticipating long weekends here in Canada. Of course, in US, it's a normal trading day. Also, according to fintel.io, the short interest ratio is 1.62 days to cover. Short interest of float is 9.52%. Off exchange short volume is 4,958,422 shares. Off exchange short volume ratio of 50.87%. Now, guys, take note, the off exchange volume is currently 71.25%. Okay, so that's roughly 20,103,784 shares. And also, today's lit volume is only 9,811,567 shares, which is, I personally think it's really massive, the off-exchange short volume ratio. I mean, the off-exchange short volume percentage, because, yeah, this is just my personal opinion, guys, that, that I think that the stock itself is currently manipulated. Now guys, in their SEC filing, we would like to take a look at a couple of things. Like I said, what's important here in their SEC filing is their current 10K, okay, the 10K of CEI ending in December 31st of 2021. So as you can see here guys, according to their 10K, okay, so it says here that there were 414,290,116 shares. So definitely guys, in your app, that whatever app that you're using, the outstanding shares of CEI will soon be updated. So please take note, it's 414,290,116 shares. Now, as far as revenue is concerned, it says here that the company had a gross revenues of 401,222 for the year ended December 31st of 2021 compared to 150,814 for the 9 months ended in December 31, 2020. So guys, so I think this revenue itself is actually a good news that the company is actually earning some capital, as opposed to the notion that CEI themselves have been diluting share just to gain more capital. So it says here that they have a revenue of 401,222, and I personally think that as soon as their acquisitions is moving forward, like the Viking acquisition will start to move forward, I think this will grow bigger, and we have yet to expect that in the 10Q, which is upcoming, I'm pretty sure, anytime soon. Also, their expenses is 5,834,587 for the year ended December 31st of 2021, as compared to $5,351,187 for the 9 months ended in December 31st, 2020, which is not very far off from itself. General and administrative expenses decreased by 1,025,425, while share-based compensation increased, and this is internal, with 1,500,393 during the year ended December 31, 2021. Another important part here, guys, is their cash and cash equivalents. Okay, so it says here cash and cash equivalents in banks and financial instruments which mature within 3 months on the date of purchase. The company maintains cash and cash equivalents in bank deposits which at times may exceed federally insured limits of $250,000. At December 31st, 2021 and 2020, the company cash in excess of the federally insured limit was $5,604,342 and $618,548,000 respectively. Historically, the company has not experienced any losses in such accounts. The company have no cash equivalents at December 31, 2021 or 2020 respectively. Currently, guys, there's no existing offering with CEI, which is really good. Now, guys, as far as warrants is concerned, warrants issued in connection with funding. The warrants were exercisable on the grant date September 17, 2017 and remain exercisable until September 12, 2022. So they're talking about these warrants, okay, exercise price, and this one, expiration date is September 12 of 2022, and they have 3 warrants outstanding. So guys, as you can see here, they have 4 warrants outstanding, which is one of them which it was already exercised on April 25th, 2022. So they have 3 more warrants outstanding that we can see here. Okay, warrants issued in connection with Series G preferred stock. Okay, this number 3 and number 2, which is warrants issued in connection with a severance agreement with Richard N. Azar II, the company's former CEO. The warrants were exercisable on grant date from May 2018 and remain exercisable until May 24 of 2023. So this will be depending on the stock price, whichever the owner wishes to do so. Now, as far as convertible notes is concerned, CEI doesn't have any convertible notes. So personally speaking, guys, their 10K seems to be very promising. I think the CEI themselves will move forward with this market condition. And as you can see, guys, if you guys have been following James Doris, right? So this is the CEO of CEI. Okay, so if you've been following him, he has tweeted lately that at this 3 hours ago at CEI and Viking, we're effectively been playing defense for 15 months. Okay, yet still managing to score a few goals. Now it is time to go on offense, time to build. So that looks very, very promising, ladies and gentlemen. As far as technical analysis is concerned, guys, you can see here that we must have found a bottom at 0.5651. Okay, and also you can clearly see here that the RSI is only 50.45, which is we are halfway there. We are not in the we are not oversold and we're not even overbought, and it means that we have a lot of room to the upside. Okay, so we are starting to crawl up. Your 9 EMA is starting to reconquer again your 50 EMA. So if take note, guys, that the market today is currently red and CEI has been moving forward for the most part. Okay, if you go to your 15-minute time frame, guys, CEI has been trading right above your 50 EMA, and it is the 9 EMA is acting as the resistance right now. As far as volume is concerned, you can clearly see here, guys, that we have a volume of 32.37 million, although we have an average volume for the past 3 months of 77.85. Guys, that can't be avoided because, like I said a while ago, we are in a bearish market situation, and hopefully, times will get better. And as we wait for the 10Q for ending in March 31st, 2021, we're hoping to get more good news with their Viking acquisition. Okay, guys, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy, Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.